And let's see if you can recognize Stella's first dance move. And Stella, she knows exactly what the guys like. Stella, come over here, center stage, and shake them hips.
I like big
And there you have it, Stella!